Am I the only one that didn't know? A tornado could slice through suburbia this fast? Are you worried about your loved ones after a storm like this? Here's what happened. Fast. Late Sunday, a fast-moving tornado slammed northwest Harris County near Houston. Emergency crews confirmed significant property damage. Roofs ripped, power down, streets blocked. Miraculously, reports say residents are largely safe, many rescued and accounted for. Officials urge caution. Avoid damaged zones, report hazards, check on neighbors. If you live nearby, charge devices, secure pets, follow local alerts. For updates, follow verified news and official channels, and stay safe out there. Stay tuned. Remember to subscribe for more news and updates.